Hi folks, where are you at there? You're up too high. What are you on? Go work on these. Got a little project going. Still working on these jigsaws. Gonna pour a 5-ounce silver jigsaw and send it down to my buddy Pit Bullion down there in Lost Wages and have it gold plated. It'll be the next one in the series. So we'll get this stuff warmed up here a little bit and we'll take you over here and get you set up and we'll be back with you. Okay folks, we're about up to temperature here. We got the mold heated up, trying to get this silver hot. There we go. Got a little bubble on the side here. Oops. What's going on here? That'll pop off. Let's get a look. Jesus Christmas. Okay, folks, I don't know what happened with that second shot there, whether you got it or not. Alice is here with me. Say hello, Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Okay, we went and poured this. I don't know if it come up on video or not. My battery went dead. It's another jigsaw. Like I said, this is going to Las Vegas to get gold plated. My new buddy there, Pit Bullion. We're going to take this in, burnish it a little bit, stamp it, and we'll get back to you. Okay, Pit Bullion, Mike, here it is. Number 8. Burnished up. He's close enough. We'll check your email there. I'm not sure your address. I got 2 different addresses. I don't know what's up. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. Short and sweet. We'll see you.